Today I'm going to use the stickers that I found in this vintage Kiki and Lala's coloring book, the Little Twin Stars from Sanrio. This coloring book is from 1976, but I think it was in production probably through the early 80s. I found it in a closet in my mother's house and snatched it, so it's super, super cute. Um, I like that the pictures are really simple, so it's very relaxing to color. I'm going to enjoy coloring this book as well. But I thought the stickers were really cute, and since many of them are symmetrical, I thought they would make a really great Dutch door in my journal. So I took all the stickers off the sticker page in the book and put them on some sticker sheets. And I sorted them based on if I thought they would make an easy Dutch door. And so this side has the ones that seem to have some symmetry and would make an easy Dutch door. So I already have them separated over here, and that's how I'm going to use them. And then these are extras that I can just use to decorate some, like a random page in my journal, just kind of free form. So that's what we're going to do today, is make a Dutch door with these, and then probably a really quick, just a fun little page later on. I have some, I think the main two washi tapes I'm going to use as accents is this dark pink gingham and this pastel rainbow stripe. I think they both have colors that go well with these stickers, and I think that's going to be what I'm going to use to do the borders and accents and things like that with the washi tape. So whenever you start a Dutch door, it's really important to think about what you're doing before you even get started. So I'm going to make sure I have a page that's ready to go, obviously. This is going to be the page that will have the images that will peek into the following page. And then the reverse will happen when it's turned this direction. So I will put some washi tape on this side and this side that will show through the cut edge of the stickers. And that will give me sort of a boundary as to where to put the sticker edge, which will be put one side of stickers on this side and then mirror them on this side. So hopefully they will match the cut edge. So that is the plan, and that's what I'm going to be doing next. I have my coordinating washi tape on this page and this page, and I chose a different color for the sticker side, and I went ahead and did both sides so I would have that perfectly matched. On this edge, I like to leave the little tabs out just to be absolutely sure I know where my sticker edge is. And now I'm just ready to lay my stickers. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to use my rotary cutter and cut along this edge. Here's how the sticker page looks on this side. I love it. I think it's so cute. I really like the way the washi tapes work together, and then the edge is so cute. Now all I have to do is fill in the other side of the stickers. Yeah, that's super cute. I love it. All right, so now that my Dutch door fancy page is done, I'm going to use the rest of the stickers to make a regular page, not anything super fancy. I'm going to use the same coordinating washi tapes though, because I mean, it looks good. Pretty easy. I love the way this little page turned out too. It's so sweet. And I definitely am going to get a little bit of serotonin whenever it's time to write on these pages in my journal. I hope you had fun, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.